Do you live anywhere in this red zone? If so, we're going to see rounds of thunderstorms over the next several days, including potential for severe weather in some spots. Not to mention, it's going to be pretty muggy and feel pretty gross at times. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's the full breakdown of what to expect in your area. Over the next several days, there will be a clear gradient pattern with a strong upper level trough centered near the Hudson Bay and a prominent upper level ridge over the southern U.S. Where these boundaries collide is the battleground zone, and that is where we are most likely to see stormy conditions. Our jet stream will be positioned over the northern tier of the U.S., and that will favor a series of weak and fast-moving shortwaves that will track from the Midwest to the eastern United States. At the same time, we have a classic Bermuda high positioned off the Atlantic coast. With tropical moisture feeding in from the south, that means it's going to feel an awful lot like Florida as dew point values surge into the mid, perhaps even upper 70s. That means it's going to feel pretty soupy, and you better prepare to sweat. This means that the atmosphere will be more unstable than usual, with Cape values reaching 3,000 joules per kilogram. As a result, we will see bands of rain and scattered thunderstorms push eastward from the shores of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario to the I-95 big cities by the evening. The SPC now has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that extends from northern Virginia to the lower Hudson Valley and southwest Connecticut. This covers over 30 million Americans, including much of the Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York City metros. A level 1 out of 5 marginal risk covers this dark green zone, and the primary concerns would be for heavy downpours and damaging winds. Isolated to scattered severe storms are also a possibility in this dark green zone in the Midwest. This includes Omaha, Des Moines, the Twin Cities, Duluth, and Eau Claire, among others. For Saturday, August 8th, the SPC has a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for this dark green zone that includes parts of South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and Missouri. This is a case where there's going to be plenty of instability present in the atmosphere, but very weak forcing. This means that while there is plenty of juice, it's not a guarantee that storms form in reality. Additionally, another round of scattered showers and storms may develop in the east. The SPC actually does not have severe weather probabilities, but that could change in subsequent updates. For Sunday, August 9th, the SPC has a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for this dark green zone that covers a wide swath from western South Dakota to the middle of Indiana. This covers Rapid City, Sioux Falls, Omaha, Des Moines, La Crosse, Madison, Chicago, Peoria, and Indianapolis, among others. Moving forward, the most significant severe weather threat of this entire sequence may be Monday, August 10th. The main area of concern is this yellow zone that stretches from Madison to Detroit to Pittsburgh. This includes Milwaukee, Chicago, Fort Wayne, South Bend, Kalamazoo, Ann Arbor, Cleveland, Toledo, and Akron, among others. And looking ahead, on Tuesday, August 11th, machine learning models show elevated severe weather probabilities across the Midwest and the East. And on Wednesday, August 12th, this includes the Ohio Valley to the Carolinas and Southeast, but the SPC has yet to issue any severe weather outlooks for either day. As always, this forecast does not guarantee that all of you or even most of you will see severe weather. In fact, most of you will probably be okay. It just means that the chance is there. That means it's a good idea to keep an eye on the sky and on the forecast. And for continuous coverage of severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.